So I have prepared some questions for
Yes.
you, rapid fire.
Yeah.
So who was the last person or a film that made you cry?
Film though I didn't cry in any, but last person I think I would say, not person exactly, but losing my dog is when I cried a lot. So which was during the Mar Munta song only. First day I was sick, second day I lost my dog. So I was in a very big hurdle that day. So yeah, losing my dog Naira was my the time I cried the most recently.
Okay. Okay. Which celebrity that you want as a boyfriend?
I don't want a boyfriend. Why you want to give me a boyfriend?
Okay.
You don't want me to be single? You're
want
breaking
to
millions
be,
and
but-
millions of hearts.
What did you dream about last night?
What I dreamed about last night, I have no idea. I sleep a very sound sleep. Once I sleep, I straight up wake up in the morning. I never get like, I get up in the middle of the night or anything. So I sleep very deep sleep every time I sleep. Sometimes I can sleep for 12, 13 hours also.
I think you had a happy life.
Yes. I am very happy sleeping.
Yeah.
Others I get weird dreams only. I'll get like recently I got a dream about being in a ghost house and stuff like that, and some weird dreams will happen, and then suddenly I was playing with the Joker.
Okay.
So weird. Like it's just dreams are random. No, you can't really say. Yeah, I'll get weird dreams like that.
Yes. Have you regretted dated someone?
Do I have to lie or say the truth? No, yeah. Every experience of my life, I never regret anything. I think everything can either be a blessing in your life or a lesson. We all read that Instagram quote and all, you know. So definitely, I never regret whatever I have been through, because I think all these circumstances that happen in life happen for a reason, and the reason is always good.
Your celebrity crush?
None. Nobody right now.
Nobody.
No.
Okay. Do you love and hate about yourself?
I love everything about myself, everything, who I am, what I'm becoming, what I was, and I thoroughly appreciate myself. I don't hate anything about myself at all.
Okay.
If sometimes I guess I would despise when I get like over angry and I react before thinking. That's when I get like very guilty. But even then I show compassion to myself and say, okay, no problem. You don't do that again. If you made a mistake, it's fine. Don't make it again.
Which celebrity couple you like most?
I find Ram Charan sir and Upasana ma'am very cute, and their relationship very cute. How they, and then now they've been blessed with a baby also. So they are so cute right now at the moment. And also Arjun sir and his wife, their relationship is very cute. So I think these two relationships I'm more aware of in terms of the industry. And I see here and there, I'll see them mostly. And even Mahesh Babu sir and their family and everything. It's a very cute situation, like a dreamy situation, like perfect fam vibes.
Your favorite scene in Double Smart?
Whole movie. I can't choose a scene. Really.
Any favorite scene that you...
Everything. You just go and watch and you come and tell me what your favorite thing is.
Okay.
Challenge.
Okay.
If you can pinpoint, except the Mar Munta song, if you can pinpoint anything, you tell me. From the start to the end, there is not going to be one scene you will be bored, or you'll be like, "Arey, what is this?" Simply they'll put, or you'll get disengaged. That movie keeps you engaged throughout. Till the end, you're like that. That's what I feel. Now rest. Ram Jaane.
Yeah. A rumor about you which is true.
A rumor? I don't know any rumors about me. I don't read about myself. I don't read reviews or anything. Tell me some rumor about me. I'll tell you if it's true or not.
I didn't listen any rumors about
No,
you.
nobody's talking about me. Make a rumor.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
A rumor that you want to start about yourself.
Oh, that's the next question. A rumor about myself that I am gonna start is I am doing 50 films a year.
50 films
A year.
Okay.
I don't know how that will be possible, but it's a rumor.
That is not possible.
Okay, at least
50
7 films a year.
7 films is fine.
Yeah, let's be realistic.
Yeah.
But since you said it was like I was going in my unimaginable world, but definitely 6-7 movies a year, I hope comes true. A rumor, I hope comes true.
Okay. Have you ever had a crush on any of your co-star?
I guess admiration would be the right word, not a crush, because I end up being like great friends. So there's this admiration and inspiration and a lot of learning process, and they become, all of my co-stars are my very good friends. From Ravi sir, Santosh Sobhan, Sandeep Keshan, Ram, or Vijay Anthony sir, or Arav, they're all like in touch with me, and always they will speak. It'll be like a good conversation.
Okay. What's the best meal you have ever had in Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad, dum idli,
Dum biryani.
my favorite.
Okay. What's keeping you busy in these days?
What's keeping me busy? I think my working on myself in terms of my spirituality and working on me as a person has been kept my mind more busy as a person. Yeah, just self work.
Okay. What's your workout song?
Workout song? Mar 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 or step mar. Definitely.
Okay. How many hours do you spend on social media?
I never calculate this because I know people keep telling me that it's really bad to be on your phone, but I guess 3-4 hours at least.
3-4 hours? in a
Not together, like
day? Okay. Overall.
overall, yeah. Average I'm giving, yeah. Should I? Oh, my phone is on. I was going to check screen time.
Okay. What's the best and worst color to wear?
Worst color to wear?
Color to wear.
Worst color to wear? I never thought about this. All colors are nice, no? Why worst color?
But anything particularly? It's
That
not-
I don't like
Yes.
on me.
Yes.
No, nothing like that. I like all colors.
Okay.
Don't you think I make all colors look good?
All works.
Just kidding.
What's your reaction for the first title reaction? First మీరు విన్నప్పుడు డబుల్ స్మార్ట్.
It was like a blast that happened, like a fire that couldn't be tamed, definitely.
ఓకే. తెలుగు ఆర్ హిందీ? విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూ చూస్? తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆర్ బాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
I'm not like, again, I'm not, of course, I have this soft corner for Telugu industry because that's where I did my first film ever. And I love speaking in Telugu. Unfortunately, I'm still not able to, but one day, hopefully, I will. I love the language because it's so sweet and it's like a rhythm, like a rhyme, you know, like a poem when you speak that language. Even when I say my dialogue, sometimes the way I say them becomes more softer and nicer in Telugu, you know, comparatively in Hindi.
ఓకే. సో రొమాన్స్ ఆర్ కామెడీ ఆర్ యాక్షన్?
Comedy, action, romance. I gave you a line actually because I like all three.
Okay.
Or you want me to choose one?
Double smart.
Huh?
All three in double smart.
Yeah, and more.
Yes.
Yes, this thing need plus.
Plus. Okay. DC or Marvel? Which films you like most?
Both, not can't. Marvel.
Marvel. Okay. Which Marvel character you like most?
So many to choose from. Is Spider-Man Marvel?
Spider-Man, yes.
Yeah, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man you like. Okay. Favorite cartoon?
I don't watch cartoon anymore, but I think Tom and Jerry was one of my favorites when I was small. And Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder. Yes. Even my
Bob the
favorite,
Builder.
yes.
And Noddy. Oh God, what a nice reminiscing moment.
Yeah. Anything you bad at?
I think I'm bad at sitting still. I'm always like on the go, always moving a lot and everything. Hyper energy, you know, so sitting in one place like this, I'm really bad at it. I can't.
Okay. What are you most proud of?
I am most proud of myself, definitely, because I keep getting better and better and better with all the self-love work that I do, my career, in my spirituality, in my personal life. So yeah, I'm proud of myself for all the hard work I'm putting in for myself.
ఎస్ డెఫినెట్గా డబుల్ స్మార్ట్ మొత్తం పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో రిలీజ్ కాబోతుంది. హౌ మచ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ యు ఆర్ August 15th?
How much excitement? My excitement is not getting contained. You know, I'm overflowing with joy and excitement and everything. Like, it's like a dream coming true. Imagine, what is your dream that you've been dreaming of? That's coming true.
Yes.
What would be the limit of your excitement? It's limitless, boundless.
సో అంతే ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్తో మా ఆడియన్స్కి డబుల్ స్మార్ట్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Hello everybody, Double Smart is releasing on August 15th in theaters near you. all over. So you can go anywhere in this world and you can watch Double is Smart. It is a double action, double love, double comedy, double entertainment, double energy, double madness, double mentalness, all in one film, and you are thoroughly gonna get excited, and it'll be like a roller coaster for you guys of entertainment. So please go watch and maar munta chhod chinta.
Yes, thank you so much, Kavya, and all the very best.
Thank you, my
Thank you.
pleasure.